Oh, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to safeguard your Gmail account and remove access from untrusted websites. It is crucial to protect your email account as it contains a lot of personal and sensitive information. So, let's dive in and ensure the security of your Gmail account. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to log in to our Gmail. I already log in, but you log in, you know how to log in. Then you click on your profile picture, go to manage your account. Then you go to security and you go down until you get your connection to the third party apps and services. Here is the thing. Here, removing an unwanted or that we don't recognize websites, untrusted websites, prevent unauthorized access. Untrusted website or application, could be application, can potentially misuse the access. They have to they have access to your email account, leading to unauthorized actions, data breach, or spamming. Two, it might even protect sensitive information. Your Gmail account contains sensitive information, including personal correspondence, contacts, potentially other sensitive data. Third, mitigate phishing risk. This is where I worry the most. Cyber criminals often use fake websites and apps to trick us or us user into revealing their login credentials. By removing access from untrusted source, you reduce the risk of falling victim or phishing scams. So what we have to do here, once we logged in, we came here, we go into detail. And here I have a total of 30 total apps or services. Then now I have a sign in with Google account. I have 30, but I have two apps or websites that they have access to my stuff. So you have two account access, good YouTube or other access, any access. If I want to remove this access that I don't know what this website is, I go here and I will go see details. This one, for example, CapCut has my YouTube access. I go to details, then I remove. Click on this remove access. It will give me a pop-up. If I want to remove it, I just confirm, and I will not have this CatCap will not have access to my YouTube or my Gmail account. Here you see all the lists of applications or websites that they have access to your Gmail account, and you just remove them this way. Thank you.